Munggo beans. Simple. Need about 2 cups of munggo beans. This one is 14 ounces, so close enough. Some onions, some sibuyas, tomatoes, some tomatoes, some garlic, and I forgot what it is in Tagalog. Some of the shrimp paste. Lechon kawale, man. So that's the way I make it. With side pork, because I eat healthy. So what I got here is, I'm soaking some mung beans right here. Really the way you're supposed to do it, you're supposed to soak it overnight. Do I do that? Hell no. I'm ready to boil. It's about 40-45 minutes for the mungo beans to get soft. Once it's soft, I transfer it to the main pot where I cook everything. I always use more garlic than they say to use. Normally it's 3 to 4, maybe 6. I just make it bite-sized. Like I said, you gotta let this boil for about 45 minutes to soften all the beans up. When there's about 20 minutes left or so, I got about 18 minutes left to go. So we're gonna start the other pot. What I got here is a little avocado oil. Get the pot going. That's the sound you want to hear. You never want to burn the garlic, so you gotta be quick with this. I have a patis here. I like a lot of patis. Cover it to macerate the tomatoes. So it looks like the mungo beans are almost getting there. They're pretty dang soft. So one of the things I do, right here, this is almost ready. Set this down. Bagoong. I put a lot of it. The shrimp paste, I put about a tablespoon of it. This is like the key flavor to me. It'll all make sense when it comes together. So now, what I do is I add the meat. It's gonna soften up, and that's okay. I don't want it hard. I don't want it super hard, but I don't want it super soft. I just want it to get all those flavors there. Pour it right into the sauce. Right into the main. So let this cook down for a little bit like this. Have some sabaw. And my last thing is I get some pre-washed baby spinach. Throw some spinach in there. I know it seems like a lot, but it'll go away. It'll soak up a lot of that water. Just turn it off. Because you know why? It's gonna cook in here. My favorite things to do is eat something with it. So if I don't put if I make it with the shrimp, I'll make like a fried pork chop to go with it. But if I make it with the pork, I know it's in there, but it's softened up because of the way it cooks, I'll fry some fish. Hand trick, ooh, that's hot. Seasoned fish. Fish always put away from me, so when I fillet it, it doesn't splash that